So friends, welcome back to a new session. So in this video we are discussing about the arithmetic mean or expectation value or the x bar of the rectangular distribution in this video. So in the previous video we learned about the some basic properties about and the introduction about the rectangular distribution or the uniform distribution, and the link of the previous video which is provided in the description box and the end of the video. So don't forget to watch that video for more information. So let's begin the session. So by mathematical expectation, there are two typical equations existing to find the expected value of the given function or given random variable. And note here that the rectangular distribution is also in the form of a continuous manner, or it is a continuous distribution. So we can use the equation as in the form of expectation of x, which is equal to integral of x into f of x into x dx. So here when we finding a expectation of a value with respect to a given function also. So the given function is rectangular, that is the f of x, which is equal to the rectangular distribution. F of x means that the PDF of the rectangular distribution. The PDF of the rectangular distribution is given as 1 divided by b minus a. And also note that we want to find the value of expectation of x, that is expectation of the value x, and which is also multiplied with, that is x, which is multiplied with the PDF of the rectangular distribution here, and also integrate with the limit of the rectangular distribution. It means that here the integral with the limit is converted into a to b, that is rectangular distribution, which is defined as in the form of x follows r of a comma b, and its f of x, that is its PDF, which is defined as 1 divided by b minus a, where a less than or is equal to x less than or is equal to b, and 0 otherwise. So here the upper limit is b and lower limit is a, that is a to b, the integral with a to b into the term x here, that is the random variable x with f of x. The value of f of x is 1 divided by b minus a with the dx also. And note here that b minus a is a parameter or a constant, so we can take these constant into the outside of the integral. Then it will become 1 divided by b minus a into integral of a to b into, then we can see here x into dx. So the integral of x dx, that is x square divided by 2. It means that 1 divided by b minus a into x square divided by 2. It is a capital X, x square divided by 2 with the lower limit a and the upper limit b here. So here it become b square minus a square in the numerator, that is when putting the upper limit and lower limit to the numerator term x square, then it become b square minus a square in the numerator, and the denominator contain a constant term 2 and b minus a, that is 2 into b minus a here. So here the numerator contains the term b square minus a square, and writing the expansion of the numerator term, then it become b minus a into b plus a. So here in the numerator it means that we know what is the expansion for a square minus b square is, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Likewise here b square minus a square is existing, then it become b minus a into b plus a with a divided by 2 into b minus a. It become cancelling the both the term, that is similar term in the numerator and a denominator, then we get a solution as a plus b whole divided by 2. So this is the value for expected value of the rectangular distribution, or so the arithmetic mean or x bar, or the value for expectation of x, which is defined as in the form of a plus b divided by 2 in the case of rectangular distribution.